I'm taking a gumball. Hot dogs. I don't like yellow. We like orange.
Stop!
Shut up.
Well, stop eating that.
I can do whatever I want.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
That's a boss of me.
Who cares? You can't.
I don't care. Did you make that?
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Dude, yes, I did.
No.
Ask Grandma.
No. Because when she was making it and the girls got there, you ditched her and left at the computer room. So you did not make that. She did.
No, you weren't there when I helped.
Yes, I was. I was sitting right there.
Yes, you admit that I helped her? Yeah, I did.
No, I can admit that you didn't help her. Because you didn't.
Well, I did. So I'm taking this stuff off.
Well, you. Oh, jeez. Didn't be wanting that slapped.
Aren't you? You took off like all this stuff.
I only took off the gumballs. Calm yourself. Piece of ham. That's all you got. Piece of ham.
Shut up.
You're gonna call me a piece of ham?
Dude,
Oh, I am so insulted right now.
shut up.
Can't even tell you.
Dude, shut up.